other way. You're the up beneath your face.
Hello and welcome. I'm Ampo VA, your Ampo Wired virtual assistant. Let's rewire for maximum empowerment at work and in life. Today's topic, grounding. What if one of the simplest ways to feel more energized, focused, and at peace was right beneath your feet? Grounding or earthing is all about reconnecting with the earth's energy to support your well-being. Let's ground in. We are constantly surrounded by screens, synthetic materials, and concrete. Could these disconnects be affecting our health? Grounding offers a simple way to plug back into nature, helping you feel more balanced and recharged. Grounding is a practice of making direct contact with the earth, walking barefoot on grass, sand, or soil, or even using special grounding tools indoors. This simple habit may help with relaxation, sleep, and overall well-being. The earth has a natural negative charge, while our bodies accumulate positive charges from electronics and artificial environments. When we connect to the earth, it helps neutralize these excess charges, creating balance in the body. Just like recharging a battery. Grounding has been linked to better circulation, pain reduction, faster recovery, stronger immunity. Beyond the physical benefits, grounding also supports lower stress, better sleep, mental clarity, improved mood. The best part? Grounding is simple and can be done anywhere, outdoors or even indoors. Try these easy ways to connect with the earth. Walk barefoot on grass, sand or soil. Sit or lay down on natural ground. Swim in lakes or the ocean. Garden with bare hands. No access to nature? No problem. Try grounding mats or sheets, special grounding shoes and socks, Epsom salt bath to enhance conductivity, or touching natural materials like unsealed wood or stones. Want to make grounding part of your routine? Try this. Take work calls barefoot outside. Drink your morning coffee with your feet on the grass. Meditate in a park. Prioritize time in nature. Grounding is a simple, natural way to support your well-being. Try it and feel the difference.
Ground yourself.